Good morning, YouTube. It is your boy Dot. We're about to do some breakfast this morning. See who I got over here? She's just chilling. Say what's up.
What's up?
Anyway, she on her phone chilling. So we're about to have some grilled cheese sandwiches for breakfast. You know me, I'm gonna whip it up real quick. Let y'all see a little bit. And then we're gonna eat like we always do. Ooh, pickle falling down there. There we go. Ooh. I'm talking about right there. Whew. These things are ready. Chef Boyard Dot's in the building. We're done with breakfast. Yeah, breakfast is served. Dot style.
Daddy style.
Very good. Turn that up, ain't you? Is it good? Give me a little water. So, how was school this week?
But
What'd you learn?
I'm comparing. I'm been doing math a lot. I'm doing this comparing fractions and doing fractions on number line.
What are kids doing comparing fractions in the 3rd grade? I have no clue. I don't know. I don't even know if I know how to do that now.
You forgot?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, I can teach you.
Yeah, I know. Thing is, listen.
See that turkey?
Smacking, girl. Chef Boyer, I died. I'm gonna start my own recipe book. Sell it online for $29.99.
No, not $29.99.
How much?
$2.99.
$2.99. $2? That's cheap. $2?
$2.99.
Heck no. We need a little more money than that.
For $5.99.
Okay. That's cool. I know you ain't joking. I should have made more of these, huh?
Yeah. It's less cheesy, like the cheese is not really falling out.
So put some more cheese on there?
No.
I've been drinking nothing but water lately.
We're drinking a lot of lemon water.
Lemon water, yeah. No sodas. I gave the sodas up.
Wait, I thought you said you can't have candy. No, that time I was you.
I can't have candy either.
Then why you eat candy last night?
I wanted a piece of candy. Who's you telling on me? I ain't supposed to eat candy. Tattletale. Can't believe you bust me out. You wanted to buy them candies. You know what's tempting when I see sweet tarts sitting around. I like sweet tarts. They're my favorite. That was good. It was good.
Yeah.
I could use another one right now. I'm on a diet. I'm trying to watch my diet.
You're on a diet.
Huh?
You're on a diet.
Yeah, I'm on a diet. And I just picked out Buffalo Wild Wings the other day. I gotta be on a diet right now. I think it was good. I'm making a smiley face on there.
Yeah.
Hey, put that down real quick. There's something over there.
Bad daddy, bad
I'm gonna steal your little strudel.
Bad daddy.
Steal it. Anyway, y'all. We ain't doing nothing. We didn't ever do our thumbnail. Anyway, that's the Citizen.TV show. You know who this is. Is that your outro? You know how to get a better outro than that.
What?
You know how to make up a better outro.
What's the outro?
Like when you get ready to say goodbye on a video.
No.
Yeah, outro's kind of whack.
That's not nice.
I'm just telling you. You gotta get a new one. We gotta say something else cool and exciting. Okay, slap me in the face, huh? Is that your outro? I don't like that. I don't like that outro.
You should get a better one, so that's the better one.
Oh, you gonna think it's funny when I steal your little strudel?
No.
Yeah. I'm out of here, man. It's your boy Dot.